I rode the fastest elevator in Japan. At 296.3 meters or 972 feet tall, Landmark Tower is the second tallest building in Japan. It's 70 floors high and the lower 48 are filled with offices, shops, restaurants, and clinics. Then for floors 49 and up, you have the Yokohama Royal Park Hotel, which has a total of 603 rooms. But we're here for the elevator. Installed by Mitsubishi, this elevator reaches a top speed of 750 meters per minute. That's more than 7.5 football fields. If you come from Sakuragicho Station, take the People Mover to the entrance of Landmark Tower. Look for this sign. If you come from Landmark Plaza, it's really easy to find. First you have to go down to go up. Not that way. Go to the bottom of the escalator and get your ticket to take the elevator to the top. Okay, so I'm gonna ride the fastest elevator in Japan. We're going up, going up, going up. Lights are going down. We're going pretty fast. Unfortunately, there are no windows because this elevator is right in the middle of the building. Floor 469. Who says Japanese architects don't have a sense of humor? That took about 35 seconds. The observatory on the 69th floor is called Sky Garden. I would recommend visiting the observatory at night. I really wanted to see Mount Fuji, but it was cloudy that day. So instead, I got a video of myself in a festival costume. Please subscribe so I can afford a professional videographer. They have a little snack bar called Sky Cafe, where I got an iced coffee. They do have other drinks. After a drink, you might be looking for the bathroom. Yes, I verified their restrooms up here, but I'm not going to show you. I did take this chance to fix my hair though. If you remember my video from the spiral escalator, I took the elevator video right after that. If you'd like to see that video of the spiral escalator, as well as the shortest escalator in the world, make sure to subscribe. But the highlight of my day was the Gacha Gacha machines. They're called Gacha Gacha because that's the sound the crank makes when you get the toy out. I didn't think that was the official name until I saw this sign. It must be true.
Hey Tracy, what happened to beer?
I shaved it.
I don't know what you were thinking.
What goes up must come down. It's time to go.
And
we're heading down. That's really fast. My ears are gonna pop. Top speed 750. Yeah, that made my ears pop.
Here at Landmark Plaza Shopping Center. Thank you.
That was fast.
Door opening. Please stand clear.
Wonder how many times a day those poor girls go up and down. That's gotta be murder on your ears.